shall we start then now? Okay, I am starting. Hopefully my screen is visible to all of you. Okay, now one thing I'll show you here. The first thing that I'm going to talk about here is date difference function. Okay, you all can see my screen, right? And I'm audible as well. Yes, no? Am I
Yes, ma'am.
audible? Okay, good. Now, date difference function. The purpose of using, see, very simple. I am being given two dates. I want to find the difference between two dates. I could find that difference in terms of days. Like we've got any date, we have got three components, right? Day, month, and year. Same way, I can find out the difference between two dates in terms of all of these three components. Okay, I can do that. And why is the date difference even necessary at the first point? Even before going there, I'll tell you some practical examples which you may encounter. Okay, here the example is of date of birth, like your age calculation. Age calculation is what we find we have to, like anyone, even if in a formal or informal way, someone asks your age, what we will do, well, I mean, if somebody asks your age, you will directly say, okay, this is so many years you are, so much of age. But then what do we do? How do we really find out? We do find the difference between our date of birth and the current date. Current date as in today's date. We find that difference in terms of years and we tell them. Same way you could do that in terms of months. Also, you could tell the date difference in terms of days. Okay, although in a casual manner, we just mention the age in years only. I'll come to this example, but more, this is one of the real time. Two more examples I can give where this date difference function is going to be helpful. One is when you're working in a company, suppose somebody is asking you how many years have you served that particular company, or maybe from how many years you are really working in that company. What will you do? Somebody asks you, obviously you are going to find out the difference, or at least in your mind. I'm just telling you, not in the Excel format. You're going to find out the difference between your date of joining and current date. Am I right? That's what is the tenure that you are serving in the company. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. That is the second example. Third example will be, say I go to a nearby maybe car showroom or maybe a bike showroom, whichever, like a two-wheeler or a four-wheeler. Say suppose we are going to, I'm going to order the particular one. I went to the showroom, I did select, I had some specific model in mind. Yes, and fortunately that I mean the model was there, but unfortunately the color that I want for my two-wheeler or my four-wheeler, that specific color is not available at present. Like it's currently not available in the showroom. The manager might just tell you he has to place an order for that particular one. That particular color is not currently available. Maybe it has sold out. Since it's in demand, it's got sold out. You have to place an order, and once maybe like after a week or maybe some 2 weeks, it's going to get delivered at your house. So the time when you order the, yeah, say today, and after just 2 weeks after you're going to get that duration also, if you want to find out the difference, means you are going to use your like average date difference only. It's basically how much time the average days to shipment. Okay, that's what was the example over there. Average days to shipment or average days to ship. That's what is your example over there. So three examples where you could you very easily you could use your date difference function. Okay, three examples are fine with you all. Can I move on? Okay, now over here, I'll start off with the function DATEDIF. But till now, we have seen any function, the first few letters when we type in, we get a suggestion. Date difference function doesn't have a suggestion. Okay, you open your brackets. Even after that, if you click on fx also, you won't find any function arguments. It won't tell you. So in short, you are to remember it. But then it's not such a big deal to remember. Just got 3 arguments only. Your start date, your end date, and in what terms, like in what component you want the return, the difference to be. If I put it in y, here, what is it that we are trying? Here is, just a second, there's a noise coming up. I'll just close the door and come up. So we are actually finding out, like, my date of the, this is for a kid, right? 6 years. So date of birth is 15 March 2019. End date is your today's date, because we are finding out the age. And in terms of years, as in to say, when we say years means how many complete years have gone by from the date of birth. So this year, we are in 2025 now. So this year, March 3rd, this kid would have completed 6 years. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, say the same difference I want in terms of months. Whichever component, like I want to find out in years or months or days, it should be complete. So from, okay, 6 years means what? 6 into 12 is 72 months gone. Okay, after, let me type in that date over here. So this particular date, this kid would have celebrated the 6th birthday. So from that day until today, how many months have crossed? Complete months have crossed. So 15 of April, 15 of May, 15 of June, 15 of July, 15 of August. So 5 months only, because still now 15th of September has not come. So 5 whole months have crossed after this particular date. So 72 plus 5 is 77. I can do that in with the help of my function also. Start date, comma, the today, like date of birth, then today's date. Then in terms of months, it should be in double quotes. And this M can be in capital, small, doesn't matter at all. It's not a case sensitive. Okay, so 77. I told you 72 because 62, 6 years into 12 is 72 months, and 5 more complete months have crossed by. So it's here 77 months. 72 plus 5, 77. Today is 9th. Na? If we reach 70, I mean 15th of September, this 77 will upgrade to 78 because 6 whole months would have crossed. Clear? Date difference in terms of days. So date of birth Today's date, days, close. 2,370 days have passed. All three are same, just that the components are different. It's here it's a 6 years, it's a 77 months, or you could say the age is in 2,370 days. Till here all clear? Okay, I'm moving on. If any doubts, stop me. Okay, now there is something more also here. You have these options in Excel very much with the function, it's very much available, but it is kind of rarely used. We don't use it much. These options are the more relevant ones, or I won't say this is irrelevant, but more frequently used, either in years, example, either your age or the tenure in a particular company. Days, I just gave you the days to shipment. That's very much possible. Okay, what is it over here? It's like first one is the same. It's your date difference. Open your bracket. Then A6, comma B6 in years only. That's the same thing. But what is the second one? Here you can see it as YM. What is that YM means? Say suppose 6 years has gone by. Okay, 6 is the age. But after 6 also, there are certain number of complete months have gone by. And after that 77 months, like after 6 years have got completed, 5 more months have crossed by. And after 5 months, how many dates have gone? Like from 15th of August 2025 until today's date, almost 25 days have gone by. Say, just for a bit of fun, I will tell you. In movies and all, we would have heard from the heroes talking to villains and all. No? They'll say, my age is so many years, so many months, days. Then they will sometimes even mention in hours, minutes, and all. They will say that, right? We would have definitely come across. Not like any particular, any movie, some hero would have definitely said that. So that same thing only we are trying to calculate. Okay, if instead of like not complete whole months from the date of birth, it is like the complete months after, like say for one particular part is completed, like your 6 years, how many years have passed by, fine. After that whole complete years, from that day how many more months have passed by, like that remaining one component, that remaining part, if you want to really find out, that's the way we are going to do. So your date difference, open your bracket, C A6, B6, and YM. That is after your 15th of March 2025, how many months, complete months have crossed by or passed by? It's your 5 more months have gone. And after that 5 months, like 15th of uh, last month, your August, 15th of August 2025, from that date, how many days have we gone by means I'll go for date difference. Open the bracket. Don't press tab, it won't come, it will show you hash name only. V6, comma, MD. So 25 days. Either I could tell the age collectively in either of these three components, or I could mention the age as 6 years, 5 months, and 25 days. Okay, clear? Clear on the age calculation? Can I move on? Okay, here let me go into the, before going to the network days, I'm moving on. If any doubts, stop me, okay? Let me open a new sheet and talk about few things. Say we very well know about the fill series options, right? So I'm going to use them. Today's date is what? 9th of September, right? Are you all listening to me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'll discard these. I'll just go until my September only. So these are my dates. This I have already shown you. That's nothing but the fill series. We all know this. Okay, but do we know? Okay, today I know it's a Tuesday, 9th of September. Today is Tuesday. But how will I find that in Excel way? How can I do that? I'll show you that now. Hold on. Equal to, I'll just come off the same day. Then basically we are copying it, nothing much. I'll open the number formatting over here, come to more number formats. We are in date. I don't want to date. I want to go for custom. Okay, here it says DD hyphen MM hyphen 4 wives. I'm going to delete that. Okay, when we delete that, we just get to see the serial number. But I told I want to really extract the information that 9th of September is a Tuesday. How to do that? Okay, single D is for, like, we have got 31 days overall, 31 days in a month. 1 to 9 is your single digit days. 10 to 31 is your double digit. So for all those single digits, you just have to, if you want the day number, it's just going to, you have to display, you're supposed to put single D. Or for all the double digit days, 2D. It's, we are in 0, 9. If I just put 1D, it will show me as 9 only. You're seeing that. If I put 2D, that 9 will be shown as 0, 9. Third time, if I put a D, it will show me, like it will display me the first 3 letters of the day name. What's the day name? Like the weekday or the day of the week. Let me put it that way. Day of the week. It's your Tuesday. So first 3 letters. If I put 4D, it's going to return the full day name. I hit enter. And just that, I'm going to double click on the rest of it. I am really returning back the entire, like, yes, the whole series until the 30th of my September. But then I may very much able to extract whether it's a Tuesday, like which day of the week it is. This is the way. Okay, you select, just copy it. Okay, instead of copy, either you could do a control V, control C. Instead of that, easier way is just go it like equal to B3. It's like a link we are creating. Okay, and we are the same sheet. That's why just the cell name. If we are trying to link 2 cells from 2 different sheets, you will be seeing like equal to sheet name and then exclamation, then your cell reference. All of those will happen. But here is within the same sheet, so just the cell reference. Okay, and you go to the custom number formatting and you change the format of the date to just like the SAS format to just show it as 4D to display the day name, complete full name, like complete or the full name of the day. Clear? It's very much available over here. That's what I've done here. It's there in the date function 1. Two more are there, which is your weekday and week num. Shall I move on to that? Any
Yes, ma'am.
questions? Okay, weekday. Weekday is nothing but here it says returns a number from 1 to 7, identifying the day of the week of a date. Simple words, instead of Tuesday, it will have a number. Like instead of the day name, weekday function is going to assign a number to the day name. You have got two arguments, serial number, obviously the date, and return type here, it's your optional. Okay. If you don't mention anything, what does it say? Optional means I have an option, like we have a way of like we can omit it. It says as 3, which means the numbering that has been given is starting from Sunday to Saturday. Because we generally what we say is we do like weekdays are from Monday to Friday and Saturday, Sunday is your weekend. We have a notion in mind like week starts from Monday and ends on a Sunday. But case is not like that. Proper convention says is week starts from Sunday and ends on a Saturday. This Sunday to Saturday uh, of the default numbering. Okay, Sunday to Saturday, default numbering is 1 to 7. Okay, Sunday is 1, Monday is 2, Tuesday is 3. If I double click on this, see Sunday is 1, Monday is 2, Tuesday is 3. Now I am telling okay, Sunday to Saturday as your week, fine. Not every other company or government is going to really follow that. Everyone has got their own cultures, right? Somebody might work on Monday to Friday, they will have weekends as Saturday, Sunday. Some mainly BPO companies just do maybe on the weekend, the customers are going to raise more orders or more, they're going to raise more complaints. Seeking that stuff in mind, having that stuff in mind, they are going to like have the weekends, like you're off on maybe Monday and Tuesday, or maybe just Monday or any other day. It's completely up to them how they want to put it, right? So there comes the logic of this return type. If I do like question, if you see here, there are almost how many? 3 and 7, 10 numbers are being given. Okay, 10 numbers for 10 different combinations. First one, number 1 is default. Okay, it's your Sunday to Saturday. The numbering is from 1 to 7. If you choose 2, it's your the numbering goes from 1 to 7 only, but it's like the week starts from Monday, ends on a Sunday. Number 3, the combination the number 3 is given to the combination like Monday to Sunday only, but the numbering is 0 to 6. You may have any of this. Likewise, 7 more are there. Okay, that's why I told you every other government or country is going to have their own culture, or even based on the work culture also, it's going to very much going to have differences. So based on that, you may choose any of these, but yes, by default, it's your number 1 only, because you have seen it over here. Sunday is 1, right? That's your default. First time I didn't mention. Clear? That's what your weekday, assigning a number to the day of the week of a particular date. That's it. Any questions or shall I move on? Any questions? Okay, I'm assuming none. If you have, let me know. Okay, week number. It says returns the week number in the year. Now we have got 52 weeks in a particular year. In general, I'm talking about, maybe it could be 53 and all, it could happen, but in general, we talk like we have got 52 weeks. This particular date, which is 9th of September, it falls under which week of the year? That's what week number function tells me. So let me select this B3. Again, you have got a return type. Anyway, let me come to return type in a while. I'll just say, okay, I'm getting the answer as 37. Let's see that. I can do that manually, okay? Like manually just to confirm whatever I am seeing here, it's right or wrong. So let me go to Jan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, and 37. Again, from Sunday, it's your 38th week. Here also by default, it is assuming that the week is starting on Sunday and ending on a Saturday. That return type, if you want to have some customization, that's what is your return type all about. It's going to tell us from which day of the week is actually beginning. Like number 1 is Sunday. So week begins on Sunday. 2, week begins on Monday, and 1 is default. Okay, that's what we have got it even. Return type again here, it's optional, enclosed within square brackets. If we are omitting it, it's going to assume the value 1, default value is 1. So here you have got how many? Again, 10 numberings are there. It all depends upon work culture and the government that you are really working under. Even in fact in Dubai and all, they have any other days except your Saturday, Sunday as a holiday. Okay. So weekdays just going to assign a number to the day of the week, and week number is going to return back or just going to tell me the date falls under which day, which week of the year. We have got 52 weeks. Okay, any questions over here?
No, ma'am.
Okay, then in this date function 1, we are done with that below 1. If you come over here, you have got something called your network days. And in this function 3, date function 3, you have got your work day. Let's see this together, okay? In fact, one example is over here. If you want, you may see to it. But then, okay, I've opened a new one for you all. I'll show it here itself. Now, networking days or network days, let me put it like that, network days. That function is, the purpose of using the function is, I want to find out how many working days are there in a year. Or maybe let's say, let me not even put it as a year. Let me have 2 dates, a start date and an end date. Between those 2 dates, how many working days are there? As simple as that. Say we are in September, right? So my start date, I will put it as 1st of September 2025 and end date as 30th of September 2025. Between these 2 days, that is for the month of September, how many days I am going to go to office? Simple question. If I want to find that, okay. But before doing that, you people have to help me out on one case. You are going to tell me the list of holidays in this month. What is it that we had till now? Last week some holiday was there, no? What was that? 5th of
Onam.
September, Teacher Day. What was that other thing?
Onam.
Two more. Onam.
Onam
Yes.
and
Yes.
yeah.
I put it as Onam. Okay. 5th September, right? 05/09/2025 as Onam. Any other holidays in this month? Okay, let's open Google, our good friend of ours. Ah, yes, we have Dashara. The Navaratri coming up, right?
That's on
Okay.
October 2, right, ma'am? No leave for us.
That is Vijay Dashmi, ma. Bapu's birthday has got combined with that, right? Anyway,
Yeah,
I
it's
can
same.
see 2 days, right? 2 days I'll put it as holiday, okay? 29th and 30th. As of now, I'm going to put it that way. Of course, schools and all, they'll have almost 2 weeks holiday. I'm not going for that. As of now, I just put it which 2 days, 29, 30, right? I'll put it that way. 29 and 30. We'll just say Dashera. Okay, so 3 days I'm just assuming, no more that. Okay, and moreover, 2nd October, it goes in the next month, right? I want to find out the working days between these 2 dates. That is the current month only I want to find out. Okay, we have got 3 holidays. But okay, I'm seeing that, but what are the weekdays? Whether it's a Saturday, Sunday and all, I don't know, no? So let me find out that. Okay, Friday, Monday, Tuesday, all good. So let me start with the network days now. See, network days returns the number of whole work days between two dates. So you have got three arguments. You can see here, first two are mandatory. Third is not a mandatory. Like holidays, it's an optional one. You may or may not have. Start date is I3. End date I3, I4. Okay, current, I have to consider them. These are there, definitely 3 holidays are there. But let's just, without considering holidays, let's see how many working days, like how many days we are supposed to go to office. Now, this network days, it is assuming Monday to Friday are work days, Saturday, Sunday is weekend. So, okay. First is on Monday. It was a Monday. So 5, 10, correct. See, 15, 20, and 2 more. So 22 working days. We have, and 22 working days. See here, it has by default removed or not considered my weekends. Did you notice that? It has just counted the weekdays only, the working days only. And here it is assuming that Saturday, Sunday is off and we are going to work from Monday to Friday only. So based on that only, it's giving the answer as 22. Moreover, it has not considered the holidays. Yes? Fine till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, next variation of it is, I am going to consider the holidays now. Okay, start date, end date, holiday. This holiday should be given in a list format, as in here I am going to select these dates only. I'm just going to tell the range, like L3 to L5 is the holiday list. We are not going to mention it as 3. Excel is going to calculate the number of holidays as 3. It's not our job. Our job is just to give the holiday list, or our job is to give the dates or holiday dates. Let me put it simple. Okay, the list of holiday dates, where whichever sheet, maybe it's there, the list is there in this sheet or some other sheet, doesn't matter. I am just going to select the range where the dates for the holidays are given. That's my job. That's what I have done here. And Excel will, in the background, it will calculate how many dates are there, count of dates. So basically how 3 dates are, no? So 22 minus 3 is 19. And all of these 3 are weekdays. My Monday to Friday, I'm saying it's a weekday, Saturday, Sunday, weekend. Say, for example, by chance, this instead of 29, if it had been 28, it will be Sunday, right? So Sunday is by default eliminated from my calculation for network days. That's the reason there's just 2 holidays only. So 22 minus 2 is your 20. Clear? How 20 and not 19? Or how maybe 19 and not 20?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So 2 things we have seen here, the network days. First is, it is by default eliminating my weekends. And by default, the default weekends are Saturday, Sunday. Okay. But then why default? I could have some customized weekends. Like sometime back we had seen this, right? Weekday. I could not necessarily the numbering should be 1 to 7. It could be 0 to 6 as well. And that too the combinations either Sunday to Saturday, Monday to Sunday, few other combinations, almost 10 combinations were there, something like a customized combinations, no? So same way, network days also have got customized weekends, because these two are assuming Saturday, Sunday as the weekend. If some other days are the weekend, then what? You have got your network days international, that INTL international. See here, returns the number of whole work days between 2 dates with customized weekend parameters. Okay, start date, comma, end date. You have your weekend and then holidays. Now weekend again here, see, either Saturday, Sunday as the weekend, this is default. Okay, that is what we have seen already. Apart from that, you've got 2, 3 until, okay, from 1 to 7 and 11 to 5, almost 12 combinations are there. Say I go in for your thing, I'll go in for 2 as the combination now. Sunday, Monday is the weekend days. Okay, just remember, I might forget. Sunday, Monday. Okay, then you may consider holidays, you may not. Okay, anyway, I'm going to consider holidays. I'm going to close my bracket. It says as 19. Don't worry, we'll calculate. Sunday and Monday, right? Number 2, the weekend was Sunday, Monday. That means 1, this will be gone by default. Anyway, we'll calculate. Sunday, Monday. So Sunday, this first I won't go to office. My working days will be Tuesday to Saturday. So 5, then 5, 10, 15, 20, and 21. As in, without holidays, it's 21. Okay, but then let me see here, 1 minute. Let me open now. Without holidays, with the customized weekend as Sunday and Monday, I am seeing I'm supposed to work for 21 days. Okay, now if I consider holiday, Monday, okay, it's not, it's a weekend, so don't bother. But what about these two dates? Your Friday is a holiday. It will be an exclusive holiday for you all. And Tuesday is also going to be a holiday. So 5th is going to be an holiday. And your 30th is going to be a holiday. So 21 minus 2 is your 19. Okay, so 21 minus 2 is your 19. Are you able to follow how the customized weekend is playing into picture? Or you want me to repeat? Let me know, I'll do so. You want me to repeat or is it okay? Please respond. Is it fine? You're able to understand? You want me to repeat? What is the case? Come on, you are listening to me or not?
Yes, ma'am.
So should I move on? Should I assume you have understood what I'm talking about or how the calculations have been? Should I assume? Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Got it.
Okay. So network days, it's giving us the total number of working days or the whole work days between two dates. We have seen that one as a default weekends as Sunday, Saturday, Sunday, and one more you have a customized weekend very much included. Okay, that is using the function network days dot international intl. Okay, I am saying that 22 days I'm supposed to go to office in this month. What if I want to know the actual dates? I'm saying 22 days. I'm saying count of days that I'm going to office. What are those dates? Which are those days I'm supposed to go to office? If I want to find out, I'm supposed to use work days function. It's over here. Work days function. Let's see that. Equal to work days or let's say work day. Returns the serial number of the date before or after a specified number of work days. Don't get worried. It's the most simplest one. Nothing big deal. See start date. You won't have start date ended, you just have start date only. Then days, you want to add or subtract like that. And then holidays. Say first, this is my start date. Okay. And then like how many consecutive dates or what is the series of days that I'm going to go to office. So we just add to one only, one. Next day only we are supposed to find out. So number of days will be 1. Okay, as of now, I'm not going to include holidays. Let's just see how it reacts. Okay, it is going to return the serial number. But one thing is there, it will return me number 2, like it's 2nd of September, I believe. Yeah. I want the starting date to be like the calculation should reveal from 1st of September. So if I want that, my start date here, I3 should not be I3. It should be 2025 08 31st, that is 31st of August Now let me double do it, but then here I have to change it. In the next calculation, this previous day will be my start date. Now I can proceed to, there were 22 days now, I will see that. Again here also, it will eliminate the Saturday, Sunday. That is your weekends by default, it will eliminate. See, I am going to work 22 days only. I may open the calendar to see it. See, 1 to 5. Then 6 and 7 is gone. 8 to 12. 13, 14 gone. 15 to 19. Yeah, 15 to 19. Then 22nd to 26th. 22nd to 26. 27, 28 gone. 29, 30. This is assuming Saturday, Sunday is my weekend. Okay, and also without considering holidays. The count of days that I'm going to work is 22. And what are those 22 days? I have just generated for you all the series of 22 dates with the help of work day function. Clear? Okay, this was without considering holidays. Let me just copy paste this. Copy, paste. Okay, here I will come and include the holidays. 3 holidays are there, right? So I'll include them. Okay, first, but in second it should be like from second and third it should be previous, no? Previous day only considering, no? So I'll just change it over here. Not for all, only for 2 of them I'm going to change. The rest of them I'm just going to double click. But then there is some issue with it. Why? Because L3 to L5 should be locked or freezed. Otherwise it won't work. So with considering holidays, 5, 29 and 30 should be off, be gone. See, 1 to 4. 1 to 4. 5th was holiday. So that's gone. It's a Friday, gone. Directly, 5th is holiday, 6th and 7th by default as a weekend, gone. So next working day is on 8th. Then 9 until 12. Yeah, 8 to 12 you'll see full. Then 15 to 19 also you will see. After that 22nd to 26, I believe it will go off. Yeah. But 29 and 30 it won't come because both of them are holidays, the Dashera holidays. So if I remove the last 3, 1 minute. These last 3 is in October. I shouldn't consider that. So how many I'm seeing with holidays? It's your 19. That's what is over here. So these both the series that I've generated, it's based on, first of all, it's eliminating the weekends by default. And it is assuming that the weekend is on Saturday and Sunday. In weekday function also, you do have a customized weekend parameters. And that's nothing but sorry, workday. I'm sorry. Workday International, not weekday, Workday International. Again, you have got your start date. Start date won't be I3, it should be the last day of my August. Then Number of days to be added is 1. And weekend, yes, again, apart from Saturday, Sunday, maybe I'll go for Sunday, Monday, that is number 2. And again, you may consider holidays. Why first is not coming? Just see to it. Because here your weekends are Sunday, Monday. You won't be working on Monday. So first is Monday by default gone. You will start working from 2nd September only. Instead of 31st, I could put it as 30 also. Even then, I will get the same answer. If I change this, because 30th is Saturday, a working day for me. Even if I put it that way also, my after Saturday, the next working day is going to be 2nd of September only. Okay, I'll just copy, but it's not going to be the one. Let me just change this. It's going to be this as your starting date. And here the dates holiday list is this, right? It should be in your absolute referencing. So after a second, you're going to go for 4th. I mean, say after a second, it's going to be 3rd. 1 minute. I'll remove these two last two. This is also 19 only, but let's just see. Let's see how it is coming up. Okay. Wait, I'll go to the right and then we'll few more. Now I'll open. Okay, we are not going to be working on Saturday and Sunday and Monday, Tuesday to Saturday, right? So 2nd, 3rd, 4th, then 5th we won't work. We'll directly jump to 6th. After Thursday, we'll go to work on Saturday. After Saturday 6th, we should go to work on 9th. Yes, 9th. 9 to 13. Let me come here. Yeah, 9 to 13, correct. 9 to 13, then 16 to 20, 16 to 20, then 23 to 27, 23 to 27, correct. Then Monday to, then yeah, your Sunday, Monday gone, Tuesday is a holiday. So got it? How I can generate the list of dates that I'm really going to work on?
Yes, ma'am.
If this is okay, there is a practical example for it. Say, okay, let's assume Saturday, Sunday, the default weekend only we'll assume. And say, suppose, okay, for Dashera, there are 2 holidays, right? So I am planning to go on a holiday, a small, like it's kind of a long weekend, right? Your Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, 4 days I'm getting off. So after, I mean, maybe on 26th night, I'm going to maybe planning to go to a nearby town or somewhere, or just as a long weekend trip I'm wanting to go. And maybe for a week or say something. What if like after 26th, when I would be joining the office? But then I should have in mind how many days of holiday I'm supposed to apply. Say suppose let's put 3 holidays I'm going to get, because no manager is going to give you holiday more than 3. 3 itself they will cry a lot and then give. Okay. So after 26th, 3 holidays I'm going to apply. I'm going to go on a weekend and like a trip. I'm going to go there, and then I want to find out which day I'll be rejoining the office. So weekday, work day. I'm not going for international, no, customized. Start day is going to be, what was that? 20?
26.
26. 26 is something. Anyway, we'll see what it is. 26. Okay. And in workday function, you have got the second one as days, right? It need not be one. Here for series generation, I did a one. It can be more than one also. So I'm going to go for 3 holidays. And then what is the holiday list? I'm going to include these 3 holidays. Okay. Anyway, these 2 only will be considered. Don't worry. Let's see. Oh my God. Super weekend. Okay. It's like it is including my Friday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So 3 days like that, it's including. If I don't want to get Friday included, means my start date should be 27. Then I'll say that, okay, I will join on 6th. Let's see that. Instead of 26, if I say 27, it will be, oh my God. Then also it's saying so bad. It doesn't want to give me extra holidays. It's like the, sorry. It has to start from not this then. Yes, what I thought in mind, it has come up correctly. See, whichever day I'm including as the start date, whatever we are mentioning, na, that is going to get included in the calculation. When I'm saying 3 days means it was starting from 26 earlier. So 26, 1 and 2. I'm not considering 29, 30. It has already been discarded over here. Okay. So 26, 1 and 2. So 3 days. But if I say like after 26, anyway, I'm going to go for office. So it's not a holiday for me. Holiday is actually like on 1, 2, and 3. So 3 days, it should start from first. So first, second, and third is my holiday. So after 26, if I apply for 3 days holiday, I will aram say I can enjoy almost how many? 1, 7, so 8, 9 days. Super. Almost like a Navaratri. I can enjoy and then come back on 6th. Clear? How I can use my workday function? More real-time example. All good? Any questions for me? All good. Any questions for me? Okay, I'm assuming no questions. Achha. Nothing to move on, ma. Nishantini, nothing to move on. It's the date functions are done, ma. I've completed all the 4 sheets from the date functions. I am to give you assignment on the date functions now. Okay, you have got your almost how many? 8 persons date of birth is being given. Next column says today's date. Yeah. I am to find out next birthday. When I say next birthday, the birthday that the person, he or she is yet to celebrate. For example, first person, Sharon, she has got her birthday on 21st of February. 21st of February, this year the person would have celebrated her birthday. I cannot get the answer like 21st of February 2025. That won't be my answer. So next birthday for Sharon will be 21st of February 2026. Because that's the birthday the person is yet to celebrate. So ideally, when the month, birth month, don't worry about the year. Birth month is prior to today's date, or it's prior to today's date. Then the birthday, yet to celebrate, that birthday will be next year. If it is later to today's date, like only this person is later to today's date. Okay, 24th of December 1992. Basically, 24th of December, that's yet to come. So only for this person, Richard, the next birthday will be 24th of December 2025. Rest all persons, their birth month is already gone. It's prior to today's date. So next birthday will be date, month, the day, month, and next year. The year part will be different. Okay, did you understand the meaning of next birthday? Yet to celebrate. See here, it's also written yet to celebrate. Okay, if you have done with that, now over here, what is this days until birthday? Days until birthday, not a big deal. It's a difference, date difference functionally you're going to put. And these two dates, your today and next birthday, these two columns difference in days, DAYS. It will be like date difference, open your bracket, today, and then next birthday, some particular date. Okay, here it will be 1 minute, and then days. Okay, it gives you number error because there is no date given here. It will be actually, this is the next birthday for Sharon. So days until birthday is 120, 165. That is from today until the next birthday, how many days are left out. So this part is fine, but the main part is to calculate the next birthday. When the birth month is before today's date, the next birthday will be next year. And when the birth month is after today's date, it's going to be the same year as the next birthday. Clear?
Yeah.